I don't know if it's gonna rain or it's not gonna rain, but at least it cooled down. Wind's picking up a little bit, but that's fine. It's miserable today, trying to do anything. Upper 80s. Trying to get a chicken coop built. It's just time consuming in this heat. We'll see if it rains or not. Walk out here to the pond and see what's going on. Pond's way up. We got a little over 4 inches of rain yesterday. About an inch or two the day before, so we've had plenty. Yeah. Answer this question whether it's going to rain or not, starting to sprinkle. Moving pretty fast though. I don't know. We'll see. Didn't take long to go from calm and quiet to windy. Hope you guys can still hear. Fire pit. Seemed looking a little rough. Gonna have to fix that. Don't really show much of the backyard, so here it is. Closest neighbor back here is about a mile, I guess, over there by them trees. A frog pond. sitting next to the solar panels. It's what everything runs off of. Lights, refrigerator, TV, water pump. Need to add some more for a few more things, but it does what we need it to do right now. Talking about it, but I don't think it's going to do much. Not right now, anyway. Done gone over. Alright. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, good evening. Stay safe.